Big Joe Namath's responsible for 3 of the biggest upsets in sports history. The bell and round 1 of the fight, and round 1 of Conor McGregor's professional boxing career. It's Mayweather's 388th round, and McGregor immediately. Convivial atmosphere suddenly breaking out here at T-Mobile. McGregor becoming a global icon.
It's odd to see them both in the ring together. You know, McGregor early on needs to win these rounds because he has had stamina issues later in fights.
He's the bigger man.
Floyd Mayweather many times. It takes 2 or 3 rounds to figure things out, and then history.
Plus 24.
Yeah. You know, McGregor normally throws about 40 punches around in MMA.
Yeah. He's keeping Floyd guessing.
Oh, all right, he just caught Floyd coming in with that left uppercut. Start for the notorious one.
That's a round for McGregor, guys.
Interesting moment. A counter uppercut from Conor McGregor as Floyd Mayweather came puncher, and for him to land an uppercut as a counter punch.
These early rounds, he did a great job in round 1, and already taking the fight again to McGregor round 2.
McGregor keeps him there, you know, keeps Floyd from being able to get off.
Be careful of the hammer fist. The other sport, nice combination though through the guard by McGregor.
Reflex action, wasn't it, by Conor?
Oh, good shot by Mayweather.
You see, it took some time to get in the range, but it's up to Conor. If Conor can keep things moving.
Mayweather wanted to parry the jab of McGregor, but a guy who, wow, nice right hand. And now switching continues to be Conor McGregor with the uptick in offense. And so far, guys, he definitely looks like he belongs.
Counter-punching ability, though. So
yeah, nice flipping.
When a guy's got a counter-punching ability, that's good.
Left hand and Floyd Mayweather allows him the early rounds to collect data, but Conor McGregor standing in the pocket himself well thus far. And they're roughing up Floyd.
Yeah.
4 jabs in this fight.
Good head movement by Mayweather. Wally, so far McGregor's had some success with that sidestepping right. Himself well after 6 minutes, and again going on the attack, but he has to be careful.
The punch that Gervonta landed, but almost natural. There he is again.
He's utilizing his size, but he's got to be very careful. We know that both of these guys are not averse to bending the rules, but
it often takes time to figure somebody out, but he will throw more. He may have already felt the counter-punching of McGregor and can't.
There's 1.5 left in the third. And McGregor told us he was going to use. And again scores with the jab.
Down as well.
Right hand to the body by Mayweather.
Floyd's making a concerted effort to get to the body. That's one thing about the 8-ounce goal.
McGregor has been very good in this fight.
The basic appreciating it.
So they will allow Floyd to kind of start to.
Oh man, he's got to be very careful. I'm afraid he's through 3 rounds of the money fight in Sin City.
A little better round this round by Mayweather.
And that's the hammer fist action that we talked about, and again, that were very effective. There you see him from the southpaw stance, ducks down, but still, you can't throw punches from the back. You got to throw an uppercut.
Centering, backs Mayweather to the ropes, attacking the body with the right hand. Mayweather motioning that one may have been just south of the equator, but McGregor continuing his attack. And going to the body, and Bird now warning him to keep those punches upstairs.
Stop. Don't lean on him. Don't lean on his neck.
Very low. That's part of the reason why McGregor's leaning on this head.
I think Mayweather wants to put the fight on the inside. One thing Conor has to still get adept to is working.
Good jab by McGregor.
Yeah. He's got a good jab. Mayweather's had long layoffs before. He came back from 21 months when he was 30 years old to face Juan Manuel Marquez.
Right hand to the body by Mayweather. Oh, nice counter left though by McGregor.
He started having some success at the end of the round. He's continuing at this round.
But he's placing them well.
What it is, the jab can control your output.
He's controlling Mayweather here, keeping him at a distance. Mayweather blocking a lot of those shots, but missing with those.
Kind of right by Mayweather there.
Far so good.
Here we see Mayweather missing with the right fence done. He goes with the jab over the kind of a lazy right hand by McGregor and is able to get that punch in. With the jab, but a nice right hand.
Just kind of, not being very creative. Not being able to get to him.
Mayweather, 20 years off the longest layoff of his career. He's 40, and this is what we thought. He told us as well. So many of Mayweather's opponents in the past seem mentally defeated on their way to the ring.
McGregor's doing
And Conor McGregor with the size difference and
minutes total in a fight, but will his size and leaning on Mayweather make Mayweather tired?
and he's doing it. There's a left hand. 30 seconds left in the fifth.
Another right hand by Floyd there. Conor's movement though, not still able to get him just enough space, comfortable in those spots.
The bell in round 6. Al, most boxing
Rounds has Mayweather done good with?
and McGregor's pace by
Yeah, he's standing there.
punches.
I mean, that's crazy. Mayweather just kind of
The jab. The speed is not there for Floyd Mayweather. There's a right hand to the body. McGregor, you have to wonder as well. His conditioning.
Exactly.
You know what it is? He's not cutting the ring off though when he's starting like this.
There's a lead right hand. The turn in round 6. Now Mayweather beginning to... Gotta be... Oh, and the referee warning Bird warning Mayweather to keep his head up.
So it's not just that.
Conor filling the T-Mobile Arena.
A lot of times it's Mayweather landing a couple of harder
There's a
shots.
good point of the money fight in Sin City.
Lean on him, wait for the rest.
Mayweather, McGregor rather, using that jab and a straight left hand. He hasn't landed that punch that much.
For this 12-round fight. And
Floyd Mayweather has only
Gave the first 3 to McGregor, but since then, much less on McGregor's punches and Mayweather effective.
Power in boxing. You know, in MMA, he's got a lot of leverage on those shots, but as a boxer, he still hasn't.
oh, there's a lead right hand by Mayweather that scored.
But you can even hear
Uppercut on the inside.
seeing him and hearing him.
But McGregor's been
Nice three-punch combination by Mayweather. Mayweather now becoming
this is the
more
mental pressure.
active and very accurate here in round 7. Is McGregor slowing down?
maybe a little bit right here is where McGregor, and he hasn't gotten leverage on all these punches.
Remember, Floyd Mayweather said it himself.
And he throws it well as a lead punch, as he did there. Often you can do that against which is his power punch. Even though getting hit with the jab, still able to land it. And he didn't use
his
his
back, guys.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he
Connor's
is.
stepping
Sorry
around.
about that.
Sorry, Paul.
Connor's stepping around. And it's allowed, don't get me wrong.
You know.
30 seconds gone in the 8th round, and Mayweather with the more effective, more powerful strikes, but McGregor. There's a couple of right hands by Mayweather. Does have more power with that left hand. Clipped Mayweather.
He landed more of those. The jab of McGregor has been his main weapon.
But the fact that we are in round 8.
It's a statement on McGregor doing well and Mayweather being a little slow. Oh,
Nice combination by McGregor.
Good stuff.
This will actually be McGregor looking for the money shot.
that hurt
And that hurt Mayweather. Conor McGregor and Mayweather.
Again, he shot.
And again, McGregor utilizing his footwork and throwing punches. Not a lot behind them, Paul. You're right. And yet, he has scored early, but Mayweather trying to come forward now.
That's the thing, Mo. As long as he's not getting hit back, it's still a tactical fight that he can win these rounds.
And he's scoring. He's beginning to be evident, although, again, utilizing the angles. Oh, there's a right hand and a left by Mayweather. And Mayweather is hurting McGregor. McGregor stumbling.
He's looking up.
McGregor has never been knocked out in MMA.
Floyd Mayweather coming on here in round 9. Now, Floyd Mayweather beginning to open up. Another right hand to left.
And as it has been throughout this fight, that has worked best for Floyd. See McGregor really gassed a little bit. He's taking some punches, trying to throw back, but it was a McGregor right hand. Trouble. As McGregor goes back with his hand. Make it that. 56 points. Mayweather was raining right hands on him, and the right hand of Mayweather, which is a very
boxing after this, Al?
I don't know. That's something else, McGregor. And we see him doing it here. And ultimately, we mentioned 25 minutes.
In about a minute here, you know what I'm saying? So even if not every shot's landing.
And at the end, we see now that mixing in a left hook. We didn't see that many from Mayweather during the course. So fatigued at this juncture. What a heart Conor McGregor has, but MMA fans know that from watching him perform in the
age of 40 comes out of retirement and does what, well, a lot of people